Yo, what's up, Diamond family? It's your man Vivi, and welcome back to VVS Sound. As you guys know, I'm here every week dropping off gems, teaching you to record and mix your music better. So if that sounds good to you, hey, stick around. Look, man, I got a really cool video for you guys today. I'm going to teach you guys how to get a pro level vocal mix in 5 minutes. All right. So when I was first coming up and learning to mix, everything that I would read or video I watch or everything somebody would tell me was that, it takes a long time to mix. And so when I would get to a good place in the mix quickly, I felt like I was doing something wrong. I felt like I had messed up or something wasn't done right. So I would keep tweaking and keep fixing and keep messing with things until I was left with a mess. And so I just want to empower you guys and let you guys know that there's nothing wrong with mixing quickly. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into this mix now. I haven't really heard this track. I didn't record it. One of my engineers recorded it. And so I'm really just getting into dig in and mix it and really kind of listen to what it feels like. The first tip that I can give you guys when you want to mix quickly is use a template. A template is going to have all the routing done for you, the effects and everything already laid in. Everything is where it should go. And really all you have to do is start building on the foundation that you already have there. If you don't have a template, I have a free Pro Tools template down below, completely free. It's going to have all the routing for you. It's going to get you sounding great. It's going to get you sounding like a pro really from the jump. And all you have to do is hit record. Super fire template. I suggest you get it. Like I said, it's free down below. That's the template that I'm using right here. So as you can hear, the vocal already is sitting kind of well in the mix. And that's because, the template helped us out a lot. And there's already effects and echoes and stuff that I don't have to worry about adding later on because the template already has it in there. So that's the template. We're about to start the clock as soon as I hit play. So 1, 2, 3, let's get it.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it help. Running in circles, I've been there.
All right, bet. Let's identify the problems. The first problems I'm hearing is it needs de-essing. There's way too many S's poking through, and then there's also some low end issue in there. I'm gonna say it's probably between 200 and 500 that we need to attenuate. So we're gonna use Nectar to do that. And once we smooth those things out, I think we can probably jump right into the VMR. So y'all keeping track of time? What are we at? 30, 45 seconds? I'm doing too much talking. I'm gonna try to talk less and mix more. So let's get there.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it help. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like I'm in here. What do I gotta say? How much to do for I ain't up alone? When I saw my granddad laying there dead, that's when all my feelings was gone. I can't even cry, I think about black with no Sam at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me. The way that I'm living just ain't feeling right. Drinking at parties to see if it fit right. Stressing about shit I know I can control on.
All right, cool. So what you guys just saw me do is using Nectar. They have a feature that'll follow whatever frequency is jumping out. And so as you can see, I was in the 390s, I believe, and you can see the curve that I the curve that I created move back and forth. And so Nectar allows you to kind of follow any kind of buildup of frequencies and attenuate them without having to create a bunch of different EQ curves. So I like using Nectar for that. Let me listen to what this de-esser is doing. I think we might be good.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it help. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like I'm in here. What do I gotta say? How much to do for I ain't up alone? When I saw my granddad laying there, that's when all my feelings was gone.
Cool, I think we got the S's controlled nicely. Let's jump into the VMR. So whenever I'm trying to mix quickly, the VMR is my go-to because everything is right here. So it's just so quick and easy to jump in and get things mixed. I know his vocal is a little bit thinner, it's in a higher register, so I'm going to use the Blackface 1176 to add some body and low, and I think it preserves the low end of your source very well. So let's jump into this 1176 and see if we can get some compression on this vocal.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it help. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like I'm in here. What do I gotta say? How much to do for I ain't up alone? When I saw my granddad laying there dead, that's when all my feelings was gone. I can't even cry, I think about black with no Sam at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me. The way that I'm living just ain't feeling right.
Perfect. I like the way that sounds. As you guys see, I'm messing with the mix knob. On most compressors, I will mix in just a little bit of the original signal, just to, I don't know, keep it sounding a little more natural, a little more free, a little more open. With this compressor right here, I'm going to be doing some really fast compression, so the attack is going to be almost instant. The release is going to be pretty quick as well, but we're only going to be mixing in a little bit of this compression. And it's going to add some high end and some bite and some grit, and I'll probably mess with these distortion settings and flip through these to see if any of them affect the vocal in a pleasant way as well. So let's see what we got.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it here. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like I'm in here. What do I gotta say? How much to do if I ain't up alone? When I saw my granddad laying there dead, that's when all my feelings was gone. I can't even cry, I think about black with no see him at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me. The way that I'm living just ain't feeling right. Drinking at parties to see if it fit right. Stressing about shit I know I can't control. I'm living too fast for this poor, I'm holding tight. Try to speak up, but my problems you ain't care. So I just told myself I need to stay quiet. Trying to keep up and stay strong, but I'm too tired. Never once wanted a new wife. Say that I want me a new life. Not an understatement, I've been up all day. Thinking too hard and this drive me crazy.
Cool, I like that. So I'm gonna boost some high end with this custom series EQ just to give it a little bit of air, some space in the vocal. And I think maybe around the 2K range, we might can do a little bit of a cut. We're gonna listen to what we did, nothing major. I think I'm gonna bring back a little bit of 200, and then I don't even know if we're gonna use this band, but if so, it might be the 400 or the 800. We'll see.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it here. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like I'm in here. What do I gotta say? How much to do if I ain't up alone? When I saw my granddad laying there dead, that's when all my feelings was gone. I can't even cry, I think about black with no see him at night. I can't even dream.
A lot of times when I'm using a high pass filter, I'll wait until I use this custom series EQ because I love the curve on the high pass filter here. It works so well for vocals. You can actually go kind of higher than you would with some of the other EQs for the high pass filter, and it still sounds really good. So I like where this is. I'm gonna bring in the revival just to add a little bit of harmonics actually. And this, you can get heavy-handed with this plugin very quickly, so be careful, kind of take it easy when you use this one. Let's see what we got.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it here. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like I'm in here. What do I gotta say? How much to do if I ain't up alone? When I saw my granddad laying there dead, that's when all my feelings was gone. I can't even cry, I think about black with no see him at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me. The way that I'm living just ain't feeling right. Drinking at parties to see if it fit right. Stressing about shit I know I can't control. I'm living too fast for this poor, I'm holding tight. Try to speak up, but my problems you ain't care. So I just told myself I need to stay quiet. Trying to keep up and stay strong, but I'm too tired. Never once wanted a new wife. Say that I want me a new life. Not an understatement, I've been up all day. Thinking too hard and this drive me crazy. What I'ma do when she having a baby? I can't.
Bet. I rock with that heavy. I think the vocals are a little bit quiet, so as you can see, yeah, they're down. They're turned down 4 dB, so I'm going to boost the vocal. Probably going to bring back 2 dB, maybe 2.5 dB, and see what that sounds like.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it here. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like I'm in here. What do I gotta say? How much to do if I ain't up alone? When I saw my granddad laying there dead, that's when all my feelings was gone. I can't even cry, I think about black with no see him at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me. The way that I'm living just ain't feeling right. Drinking at parties to see if it fit right. Stressing about shit I know I can't control. I'm living too fast for this poor, I'm holding tight.
And the vocal needs a little bit more compression. So let's go with the R-Vox here, and we'll just tighten up the vocal a little bit more.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it here. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like I'm in here. What do I gotta say? How much to do if I ain't up alone? When I saw my granddad laying there dead, that's when all my feelings was gone. I can't even cry, I think about black with no see him at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me. The way that I'm living just ain't feeling right. Drinking at parties to see if it fit right. Stressing.
All right, cool. I like the way that vocal sits. Again, this is just a vocal mix. So let me show you guys how we could take it a little bit further. I'm just gonna load in the mix bus preset and the master bus preset that come included with our full template, our full mix record template. And let's just see where that gets us, in the process of finishing the track. But the vocal mix, boom. Tight 5-minute vocal mix. It feels good. Let's see if we can get the overall track now to gel just a little bit better. Let me grab the master and let's see what we got here. All right, Pat, let's see.
When I saw my granddad laying there dead, that's when
Sheesh, That quick, man. I'm telling you, this mix bus and master bus they're so powerful. They're so powerful. So just keep that in mind. I'm also gonna boost this. I've been meaning to do that. All right, let's play.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it help. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like.
Too much heat.
Oh Lord, I've been up praying for help. My mind ain't right, gotta reach out to stick it help. Running in circles, I've been there. Traumatized from drama, feel like I'm in here. What do I gotta say? How much to do if I end up alone? When I saw my granddad laying there dead, that's when all my feelings was gone. I can't even cry, I think about black but don't see him at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me.
Yeah, we're going crazy. So I boosted this a little too much. We'll tweak that and bring it back.
But no see him at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me. The way that I'm living just ain't feeling right. Drinking at parties to see if it fit right. Stressing about shit I know I can control. Black with no see him at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me. The way that I'm living just ain't feeling right. Drinking at parties to see if it fit right. Stressing about shit.
Cool. Yeah, no, that's that's the vocal mix. Now we could really go in and tweak some things. There's some EQ moves I will make on the actual mix bus, on the master bus. There's some things I would, add, but really, if time was up, the deadline was here, I had to send this song off, I wouldn't be mad at it, man. And really, it doesn't take long to get a good sounding vocal. If one, you know what you want to do, and two, you're using a template that's already got a lot of the tools you need built in, so you don't have to go looking for them, you don't have to go loading them up. Everything you need is already in there. So really, man, that's what I got for you today. That's the secret, man. If you need anything, definitely drop me a line below. My email is down there if you want to get this free template. The free template doesn't come with the mix bus and master bus presets, but it does come with everything else, and it's a great way to get clean, good recordings very quickly and consistently. So go ahead, pick up that free template. It's down below, man. Like I said, I'm VV. Remember, stay humble, make diamonds only. Peace.
Feelings was gone. I can't even cry, I think about black but don't see him at night. I can't even dream what the fuck is wrong with me. The way that I'm living just ain't feeling right. Drinking at parties to see if it fit right. Stressing about shit I know I can control. Living too fast for this poem, holding tight. Try to speak up on my problems, you ain't